Do you ever feel like everything is too much? Too much noise, too many notifications, too many conversations, too many emotions, and suddenly you feel irritated, anxious, or completely drained? That's called emotional overstimulation, and in today's world, it's becoming extremely common. In this video, we'll break down what emotional overstimulation is, what's happening inside your brain, and how to calm your nervous system before burnout hits. What is emotional overstimulation? Emotional overstimulation happens when your brain receives more sensory and emotional input than it can comfortably process. Your nervous system becomes overloaded. Instead of feeling focused, you feel overwhelmed. Signs you're emotionally overstimulated: irritability over small things, sudden anxiety, difficulty concentrating, feeling like you need to escape, emotional shutdown, wanting silence immediately. This is not weakness, it's nervous system overload. The neuroscience behind it. Your brain is constantly processing sounds, screens, conversations, emotional cues, social expectations. The amygdala monitors for threats. The prefrontal cortex manages reasoning and control. When stimulation becomes excessive, the amygdala becomes hyperactive. Stress hormones increase. The prefrontal cortex loses efficiency. That's when you feel reactive, sensitive, mentally tired, and emotionally fragile. Why modern life increases overstimulation? Your brain evolved for slow environments. Today, you face constant digital input, fast-paced information, social comparison, multitasking, 24/7 accessibility. There is no real pause. Without pauses, your nervous system never resets. Emotional versus sensory overstimulation. Emotional overstimulation is too many feelings at once. Sensory overstimulation is too much noise, light, or activity. Often both happen together. Your brain doesn't distinguish, it just signals overload. How to calm emotional overstimulation. 1. Reduce input immediately. Turn off notifications. Step away from screens. Find quiet. Lower stimulation first. 2. Slow your breathing. Long exhale breathing signals safety to your nervous system. Inhale 4 seconds. Exhale 6 to 8 seconds. Repeat. Your body must calm before your mind does. 3. Create daily white space. White space means intentional pauses. No phone, no noise, no tasks. Even 10 minutes resets the brain. 4. Set emotional boundaries. You are not required to absorb everyone's emotions. Limit emotional exposure when needed. Protect your energy. 5. Single task instead of multitask. Multitasking increases cognitive load. One task at a time improves regulation. Focus restores stability. Important truth. Overstimulation does not mean you're weak. It means your brain is overloaded. Sensitive nervous systems are often intelligent and perceptive, but they require intentional recovery. Signs you're regulating better. You react less impulsively. You tolerate noise better. You feel calmer in social settings. You recover faster after stress. You protect quiet time intentionally. Regulation is a skill, and it can be trained. To summarize, emotional overstimulation is nervous system overload. Excess input activates the stress response. Modern life increases stimulation constantly. Reducing input restores clarity. Breathing and boundaries regulate emotion. Your brain needs pauses. Without them, overwhelm grows. With them, calm returns. If this helped you, like this video. Subscribe to PsycAcademy for brain-based emotional mastery. Comment, what overstimulates you the most?